Hey everyone. So I'm going to show how to use how I use my terminal setup. I use Cygwin on Windows and I use Pycharm, and I'll show basically what I do. So I downloaded the Windows Terminal app, which by default opens up PowerShell, or it's got some of the WSL shells here, as well as the CMD program, but I don't like any of these. They're just not very good. So what I do is I download Cygwin. So you can just search download Cygwin, go to the Cygwin website, find install Cygwin, and get this setup x8664 file. Once you get it, I like to put it in this folder on my C drive and then Cygwin 64 folder. So if you open that, that's going to launch the Cygwin installer. You can go through these steps, install from internet, and make sure you install it into that same folder, Cygwin 64. Once the install completes, should be able to actually open Cygwin if you try to just launch it directly. Bin. Just run bash like this, Cygwin bin bash. And you have a bash shell. You can see what's going on here. Okay, but what we want to do is add Cygwin here. So in order to do that, you can go here to settings, and that's going to open up a JSON settings file. So because I never use PowerShell, I'm just going to put Cygwin here as the first thing. And then save it. Now when I open this, Cygwin is right there. Also, I hit the plus and I open new terminals, it by default opens Cygwin. Now, another thing that I like to do is integrate this into Pycharm. So by default, Pycharm uses CMD. So if you go up to File and Settings, and you just search for Terminal, find here Terminal under Tools, and now find the bash program from Cygwin. Let's see, Cygwin 64 bin. Bash. Okay, save that. Now we open another terminal window, and we have Cygwin here. Now we can also use Docker is available in Cygwin if you have Docker installed, and everything else that you do is available here. We can even write bash scripts. So just going to do that. And you notice we can run bash in Cygwin. So that's it. Thanks. I hope this is helpful.